Okay, welcome back. Sorry about the long absence. I've been Christmas breaking for far too long. Alright, so let's get back to this recycler tab layout and let's just finish this up. Alright, here's what I want to do. We left off, I want to cut one more thing out before we move on. I don't want the scroll listener because I don't think that's important. So I just deleted that. Oops, actually what I want to do is comment that out in case, well, I don't want it, but you know, just good good practice. So on attach from window, yeah, we don't need that. Just delete that whole method right there. Is that all that we need? Okay, I think this is good. This is probably all that we need. I'm going to delete that now. There's probably a few more methods that we probably don't need, but I think we got to bare bones, pretty simple, understandable class. So let's just go over it. Import statements and this stuff, very important. So we have our three main variables: our layout manager, our pager, and adapter. So our pager is going to be the layout on the UI, and this layout manager is going to tell where each UI element is going to be, and adapter is going to hold information. Oh, we actually don't want this offset float. Nope, we don't want that at all. So it's going to complain, and we're going to see here's a little red thing, so I know where it is. It's this one. Do I want the scroll to tab? I don't want this. Maybe I do want this. Actually, I'll keep it. I'll keep that. So first we have our constructors. I don't know why we have two of them. Who knows? That's why I mean about deleting stuff I don't need. It's already completely weird as is. Three constructors actually. I think this is we don't want this animator actually because we don't want animations. So this looks like it will just, oh yes, it's making an instance of the linear manager. Set up with adapter, we're not using it now, but we will be using it later when we actually get the adapter. And that's going to, you know, get the information to populate the tabs. Set current item, that's going to be a current item in the tab, so we need this. Scroll to tab, I don't know about that, but can't hurt, I guess. Do we need two scroll tabs? I feel like, what is the difference between these two? Do we need both? That's my question. I feel like, I don't know. I don't like this one. Why do I need to set an indicator position? I'm just going to tab this out. I don't know if I need it. I probably don't. Ooh, something's red. It's not good. Get current item. You know what? I actually don't like these get current items because I don't think we need it. And I think it's going to be a problem later if we do. So here's what's we're gonna we are going to, I don't want this. I definitely don't want this because I don't want to get the indicator position because it's just not something I want. Set up with adapter we do want. I don't know if I don't want this. I don't want the set current item. I just, because it looks like if it's null, if it's not null, then we're good. We'll this so it looks okay. So what this will do is it will we need to make a pager with this new method get current item, and it returns it into the tabs. So the tab will always show the title of what you're currently looking at. That's nice, but I don't think we really need that. And the same thing, I don't think we need to scroll the tab to the current item. I think that's great. It's just not something I think we really need. It's just a kind of an extra bell and whistle. So this one's safely, I'm just gonna delete it. We do want this, I think. It looks like this recycler on scroll listener is completely grayed out, so it's safe to delete that. Scroll state is view on page your listener. So let's see. We don't want the scroll state because it's already grayed out, so therefore we don't need the on scroll state changed. But it's whining. So let's implement that. Come on, it's a little slow. There we are, empty class, that's fine. Empty class. Alright, that's fine. And this will scroll to tabs. This we do want, so when we scroll to the page, it will automatically change the tab. Yeah, so this is what I do. I change it so I get to a point where I can actually look at each method and kind of get what is going on with my noobish Java skills. And since these are grayed out, we don't need them. Alright, so I think we are totally done with this recycler tab layout thing. That took forever. I don't remember it's been a while actually since I did this, so I'm going to open up Paint and see. Okay, so I had to open this again to remind myself of what I was doing. So we actually finished all one. We got the code for recycler tab layout, and we delete all the methods and subclasses that we don't need, or the ones that I couldn't figure out. And so now we can work on step 2, which is creating a recycler tab layout in the XML and initializing tabs in my activity class. So let's do that. So initialize the tabs recycler tab layout. And we already know what our class called. It's called recycler tab. Oof, what was going on there? Recycler tab layout. And let's call it recycler tab layout. And we make a new instance of it. Find view by ID, r.id, and what would we call our let's just call the same thing, recycler tab layout. Ooh, it looks like it's already, oh yeah, because I already made it in the I think the I made it in the Contemplate Winter section because I want to see how it works, just so I wasn't sure if it would work. So it's there. I haven't fixed the UI, so you can't actually see it. You can only see the kind of part of it, like kind of peeping out from the background, that little blue thing. It's not too clear. So I think I'll go to the love one. If you go to the love one, you can't see it because they haven't made it. Remember, we have 2 pagers and 2 adapters for Contemplate and 1 for the other 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the love section. So I think I already did it. Then I deleted it. So let's see the same thing before the love one. Just copy and paste it in the same thing. Yeah, so now it should be grayed out because I haven't done it yet. Yeah, so we have to first put it, find it, content love, and put our recycler tab layout, and put it in there. We have a pager here? I feel like it's not in the pager, is it? Let me go to the activity love, the main one. So we see, it's including content love. So yeah, I think I'm gonna check my activity contemplate. What did I do? I see. Okay, I put in the content. All right, so sorry about that. I'm getting a little confused. Okay, so let's do Anna. How to celebrate winter solstice. Woo! Look at that. Grab content. Okay, so this is gonna be a recycler tab layout. So let's just match parent because we want to go the full way. And this layout height how tall do we want our tabs to be? I don't know, 50 dp? That's reasonable, I guess. I mean, it's kind of tall. And let's first add an ID. So I think we already know what ID it's going to be, because I need the same thing on the contemplate, but we get to name it here too so it doesn't confuse. So RecyclerTabLayout. And I think this will be fine. We haven't added a color yet, but I don't think it's necessary. Right now we're just want it to work, and we can make it pretty later. Let's just see. Let's wait for it to render. Yeah, look at that. You can see little things coming across. Does it look the same on the content? Yeah, because you can you can see here that's blue. Because here the same thing, but we made the attribute color primary, and so it's blue, and ours is just clear. So you can see item 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. Okay, so I think we have done this. What here? Modifications. What notes did I write to myself? What notes did I write to myself here? Yes, alright, I got that. Since the tabs will need to, ooh, I made a typo here. Will need to know the index and the name and title of each item to display the tabs. Yes, we'll need to make 2 new methods in the page adapter: get page title and get item. Okay, that's reasonable. And that looks like it will be in step 3. Alright, so we'll work on step 3 in our next video, and then we should have working tabs. Yay. Alright, see you guys later.